This machine adopts a double head, four-wheel rotary capping structure, and is a high-efficiency equipment specifically designed for household chemical liquid products such as laundry detergent. It can stably handle various bottle and cap types, ensuring sealing integrity and process consistency. Following the capping process, this double-sided labeling machine can simultaneously perform high-precision labeling on both the front and back sides of the bottle. Designed specifically for automated production lines in industries such as daily chemicals and food, the equipment features a modular structure, offering excellent production adaptability and operational stability.